In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best folding utility knife available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best folding utility knife, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Folding Utility Knife. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Klein Tools 44131 Utility Knife. If you are searching for a Klein knife, the Klein Tools 44131 utility knife review on our list is ideal for you. Lockback knife and utility knife together with easy push button open and close. Triple ground blades stay sharp longer and contain a wire stripping notch. Patented snap lock and sliding mechanism for quick blade changes. Heavy duty durable construction and sturdy aluminum handle with fold out blade housing. Rubber grips on handle for improved control and comfort. Number 4. WorkPro Folding Utility Knife. The next product we have got on our list is the WorkPro Folding Utility Knife. Contains 3 pieces utility knives with different colors, red, green and blue. Quick change blade mechanism for easy installing and releasing the blade. Lightweight aluminum grip handle with belt clip. Accepts all standard utility blades, 10 extra blade included in dispenser. Suitable for general purpose cutting, as cutting boxes, rope, carpet, plastic, leather, wallpaper, etc. Number 3. FC Folding Pocket Utility Knife. If you're looking for a FC folding pocket utility knife equipped with heavy-duty carbon steel blades, this utility knife is great for a variety of tasks, such as opening boxes, slicing rope, cutting wallpapers, carpets, cardboards and plastics. Heavy-duty carbon steel blades stay sharp longer. Convenient folding with the press of a button. Lockback design safely locks the blade in place when in use. Quick change mechanism for easy blade removal, accepts standard size utility blades. Number 2. Spec Ops Tools Folding Utility Knife. More than 1,000 spec knife reviews praise the Spec Ops Tools folding utility knife for its portability. Built with an armor-grade aluminum body, this Spec Ops fixed folding utility knife is dutifully compact yet tested and proven unbreakable on the harshest job sites. Compact, 3.5 folded design with belt clip for optimum portability. Camo style, pistol grip for elite comfort and control. Push button blade swap for rapid reloading. Quick release on board storage with 3 blades included. Number 1. Fantasticar Folding Utility Knife. The Fantasticar Folding Utility Knife are the best folding utility knife you can buy this year. Fancy plume version of bright pink color for you with mavericks and strong characters. The entire body is made of aluminum and the surface is polished to ensure smoothness and friction to prevent hand slippage. Pull out the blade with the push of a button and easily replace the new sharp blade for various occasions such as outdoor, study, office and more. The folding size is only 4.1 inch and weighs only 4 ounces.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.